Guys, hi girls, we are in new video tutorial of NewLessEQ. We let's see now a stock system. This system is with lace front, skin in back. This assure you a perfect adhesion and facility of clean, very easy clean here and total invisible front. You here can see the front. All single knots, perfect bleaching. In the center we have a skin knotted with single knots, so the effect is very natural. The system is 24 cm, 24 cm front to back for 20 cm side to side. Then you can cut in your size. The length of hairs is 15 centimeters. We have all colors, also white hairs. We send immediately from factory to your house. I hope you like this video. We see in next video. Bye bye.